Good morning. Today we are at Villa Annabel in Los Torres, Arboleas. We've got this fantastic 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa with carport. It's a build size of 156 and a plot size of 627. You've got various different areas of garden space, nice and tiled all around the outside of the house. Separate pool area. The pool is in immaculate condition. With a lovely view over there. We've got this beautiful sunroom as well. Another little seating area here. Then over here you've got a shed, which they call the man cave. That has got a concrete base in there, and it's also got air conditioning, so you could actually make that into a bedroom for a guest if you wanted to. So going back round the side, you've got another little bit here by the carport. Just do a quick pan around there. And then we'll go into the house. So you enter the house through the glass sliding doors, patio doors, and you've got a lovely entrance hall here. So going off to the right hand side, you've got one of the first bedrooms, which is actually set up at the moment as an office. Aircon in all the rooms, and they have electric wall heaters in some of them as well, all with the fitted wardrobes. So plenty of room in here for a double. On to the right you've got the family bathroom, which is a shower room. And then on to the master, which is a huge room. It's actually got a super king bed in here. Next bathroom, which is also a shower room. And then you've got this really great spacious room here, which goes out onto your sunroom. Big fitted wardrobes, so plenty of storage space. Onto the third bedroom, again plenty of room for a double. The electric wall heaters there as well. All rooms with aircon. And onto the very large lounge diner with a log burning fireplace, 2 lovely ceiling fans in here as well, nice light room, and that also goes out onto the sunroom, which we'll go out to in just 1 minute. Through to the kitchen, very spacious kitchen. Ceiling fan in here, keep you nice and cool while you're cooking. This has a separate utility room with a door there as well, so you can bring your groceries straight through from the carport. And we'll look after the sunroom. So out onto the sunroom, which overlooks the poolside, and a lovely view out there. Plenty of extra seating area in here with a ceiling fan as well. Again, you can go straight out onto your seating area for outside, straight out onto the pool. This property is listed at 214,950. To arrange a viewing, give us a call on +34 950 430 763 or email us at Calida Homes @hotmail.com, reference Villa Annabel.